สวัสดีค่ะ Hello everyone, I'm Siri. Today I'm gonna show you how to make ผัดไทยกุ้งสด Pad Thai with shrimp.
My recipe is shrimp 3 big size or medium size, garlic 3 cloves, eggs 2 eggs, tofu 100 gram, bean sprout 65 gram, spring onion 1 piece. Sauce for pad thai, I use syrup 3 tablespoons, tamarind concentrate 4 tablespoons, fish sauce 3 tablespoons, water 1 cup, rice noodles 45 grams for 1 person. At first, I will boil rice noodle for 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, I will put the rice noodle in the bowl and I will make the sauce of pad thai. Heat about 2 tablespoons of oil in the pan. I will put 3 cloves of garlic, frying until you smell it, and after I will take out the garlic. After I take out the garlic, I will put shrimp to fry, and I will fry until shrimp is changed to be orange. To be orange color. And put 1 cup of water. Our fish sauce, tamarind, and put syrup mixed together. Let boiling a few minutes. I do this way because the shrimp can have a taste of the sauce, and the sauce can come into the shrimp, and the sauce can have the taste of shrimp too. So I think it's very nice to boiling a little bit together, and after separate shrimp from the sauce.
To the iron bowl.
Use the same pan after you take out the sauce. Heat the oil in the pan before you start frying. Crack 2 eggs into the pan and scramble the eggs.
Put the tofu and fry together.
Put noodles. Put the sauce and mix together.
Ooh.
And put shrimp. And I will put bean sprouts and fry everything a little bit.
I'm waiting, and then I'll cut the spring onion to get ready.
I will put spring onion at the end. In this part, you can put chive for more original taste. But if you don't have, but you cannot find it, it's just okay. You can put spring onion, or you like the taste of spring onion more. Everything is okay.
I will grind the peanuts. I use 1 handful of peanuts, and then we will grind and add to the pad thai. If you don't like it, or you don't want to put, or you don't have it, or you don't want to put it, it's okay. You don't have to put it. So it's ground peanuts. So I'll put pad thai to the plate. Oh my god, it smells so good. And I will put the ground peanuts. So your pad thai is ready. Thank you for watching me. I hope this video can help you to make a pad thai at home. If you have any question, you can write me down below at the comment. And see you in next video. Bye. สวัสดีค่ะ